Hi, in this video I will show you how we can install Windows 11 on a virtual computer. So I'm going to use one software for virtualization, that is VirtualBox, and this is the official version of Windows 11 which I downloaded from Microsoft's website. If you don't know how to download this thing, then you can watch my other video where I showed you how to download this version of Windows 11. This is the operating system Windows 11 and it's free. Basically anybody can download from Microsoft website. So I already downloaded. Now let's open the VirtualBox, but you can use any other virtualization environment also. For me, it is installed before, that's why I'm using this thing. And after coming here, we just need to create a machine first. So what we can do, we can click on new, and then it will bring like this way. And then here we have to type the name of our computer, like Windows 11 new, for example. I named it like this way, Windows 11 new. Then we have to choose where the virtual Windows 11 will be installed. So right now it is showing this path. If you want to other path, you can also change from here. And then we have to choose the ISO file. So right now the ISO file is empty, so from here we have to go to this location and we have to map this thing, that my ISO file is over there. I'm going to click here, and then it is bringing this type of option. From here we have to choose other, and then it will open this type of window. From here we need to go to the download location. Right now the Windows 11 is located under downloads folder, and for your case, if it is under other folder, then you just need to go there. So from here basically I'm going to downloads folder. Here is the downloads folder, and there we are seeing that this is the Windows 11 which we just downloaded. And here we need to click here to select it, and then after that we have to click this button, open button. And once you click this open button, you will see that the ISO file is linked properly from here, and then you don't need to do any other thing. Now you can press the next button to go to the next step. You don't need this thing basically. Then one other thing, just go back, don't go there. So you can click this skip unattended installation. This is the easiest option, so you don't need to worry what's going on next time. Okay, it will install your like Windows 11 very shortly and easily basically. So once you select here, we can press the next button, and then we can choose the base memory and processor. So here there is on a scale like green scale, and this is like orange scale, and this is like red scale. To choose the base memory, always choose any memory in between this green bar, don't go this orange or red bar. Okay, same way processor also, you have to choose like that way, don't go this red zone or orange zone. For safe side, this is the best option. So here for RAM base, I'm going to choose like 4 GB RAM, that is fine, 4 GB, and processor, this is fine. And then we have to press the next button, and here we have to choose the hard disk size. So 80 GB or 20 GB, whatever you want, you can do. For my case, I am actually putting like 60 GB, something like that. You can manually type here also like 60, then it will be 60 GB. And then we have to press the next button. You don't need to click this thing. You can choose this thing. If you choose this thing, this space will be occupied, so better not to choose it. But again, it depends on your uses, how you are going to use it, like that way. So I'm going to make it empty. I'm not going to choose anything. And then we have to press the next button. Once we press the next button, it will give us the summary, like what we selected. This is Windows 11, this is the name of the machine, then machine folder. So this is the location where the virtual Windows 11 will be installed, and then this is the ISO file, then guest OS, which is Windows 11. Right now I am running Windows 11, and I'm also installing Windows 11 inside this VirtualBox, which is virtual computer. And this is the hardware, like processor, how much memory I selected, and then the disk size, and then press the finish button. Once you press the finish button, then you will see like this, Windows 11 new. This is the new one which I just created by pressing this new button, and here these are the details. And then what we need to do, once we are ready, then we need to press this start button. Once we press this start button, then it will bring the installation window of Windows 11. So now from here, this is the first screen to install Windows 11. So you need to choose a language. I'm going to choose English United States, but if you want to choose some other language, if it pops up, you can choose from there. So in time and currency format, this is fine, and keyboard or input method US is fine, and then we have to press next button. So I'm going to press next button, and it is bringing us this type of menu. So there is two buttons, one is install now and there is repair your computer. I'm going to install it freshly, so I'm going to choose install now this button. I just pressed it, and then once I pressed it, it will be gone, and this screen will be appeared. Here it is showing setup is starting. So the setup window, it is coming. So here it is asking activate Windows, and I just downloaded it, and I will use this for like temporary purpose. Like this will be the test computer, I mean test operating system for my case, to do some experiment. That's why I'm not going to use any Windows key. But if you want to use it for genuine purpose, then you need to buy this product key. So I'm going to skip this thing because I don't need the product key, and then I'm going to choose this option. So anybody, if you don't have any product key, then you can easily bypass this thing by pressing this button. I don't have a product key, just press it, and then this screen will be gone. Then from here it is asking us which version of operating system, which is Windows 11, we want to install. So all these are Windows 11, and there are different versions of Windows 11 like home, home N, then home single language. There are many other things like Windows 11 Pro N version also, like this way. So for my case, I'm going to use the home one, or Pro is fine. Let's select the Pro one, and then press the next button to go to the next step. Once we press the next step, then it is showing this type of thing, and here there's a checkbox. I accept the Microsoft software license terms. If an organization is licensing it, I am authorized, like this. So we just need to check this box, and then we have to press next button. And once we press the next button, there are two options are there: upgrade, and there is custom. So here install Windows and keep file settings and application, and the other one is install Windows only advanced. I'm going to choose this option, custom option, and here it is showing the drive. Right now it is showing 60 GB, as we put it 60 GB when we created this virtual machine. So it is showing like that way. And here basically we can press the next button to go to the next step. This will be installed over there, we don't need to do anything. And now the installation window will be appeared. From here you will see that installing Windows, this information is there, and there is a status, and there are a couple of lines are there, and one by one it will be actually completed, like copying Windows file, then getting files ready for installation, installing features, then installing updates, and so many things, and lastly finally finishing up. Once everything is completed, it will be like green tick, like this way. So right now it is actually it is doing this thing. So till this I mean all these steps are finished, we have to wait. Don't close this thing or restart the VirtualBox or virtual machine. Or if you want to install, if you are installing on your regular computer, don't close this thing or don't restart. Just please wait. It will take some time, like 5 to 10 minutes, depends on the computer memory and processor size. And then once these are finished, then you can go to the next step. So I'm going to pause this video, and when everything is installed, when everything is completed, all the steps, then I'll continue the video again. Once everything is finished, now it will reboot the system, and once reboot, we'll find this type of screen. In between this time, your computer might be rebooted couple of times. Don't panic, it's regular or normal. Your Windows 11 will be installed shortly, and very soon you need to put some other information to configure your Windows properly. Once your system is rebooted, now you need to select the keyboard layout, like US keyboard layout, and then you have to provide your name or date of birth, something like this, your personal information, and then you also need to log in your Microsoft account. If you don't have any Microsoft account, then you can also create your own Microsoft account, and then after that, by putting those things, finally you have to choose the pin. So you can choose any couple of digits pin, or by combining characters and number together, you can also create your own pin. So finally everything is done, then it will restart final time, I mean another one time, then you will see you are able to access with your pin or password, something like that, on your Windows 11 computer. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily uh, create a Windows 11 virtual computer on our existing computer using a genuine version of Windows 11. Hopefully by watching this video you will be able to do this thing. If you have faced any issue or problem, please put in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video.